Jigokudani Onsen for humans and for monkeys. Here is the hot spring, really close to the monkeys, and maybe we should try to have a bath here later on today to see if there's really monkeys in the spa or not. Well, I didn't know that you're supposed to bring your bathing suit, so I had to put my ski scarf on. There are no people in the spa. There are, however, people over here watching me in underwear. Thank goodness I have underwear. Like, seriously, taking a bath with monkeys just like promised. So now it is me, the monkey, in the pool, and they are watching me. So we have one monkey approaching. Hopefully it's gonna go well and I'm not gonna get attacked. Okay, I'm not getting attacked. Oh, and then we have other monkeys here. These monkeys watching us. Awesomeness. Quite awesome, actually. Totally worth the, what, $8? So just like they say, having a hot spring with the monkey in the water. So this is totally incredible, and being watched by other monkeys here. Not to mention the monkeys up here, human monkeys. Once again, here I was yesterday. And then there's these people looking at us, and then there's people looking at us from where I am now. However, it is against the law to take my photo in the pool. Damn it, there's one more monkey. Now this monkey is blocking the exit. So I'm totally stuck in here. Shall we try to get out? Yeah, pretty much freaked out that she or he is blocking the exit. So I guess I'll have to stand up and show my huge size to get safely out of here. See, she also wants to see what's out there. A big fat one is coming. Oh my god. Okay, no general panic. What an amazing experience, totally worth the $8. With the, you know, the waterfall in the background, the stunning snowy mountains here, and just now very little people staring at us. And see, they are holding their face close to these stones, also because everything here is warmed up. Now a bulito. I'm getting here the cocoa and getting my socks to get dry. Wow, very cool experience. And by the way, here you can get rooms and it's like $200. Like, there is nothing cheaper than $200. In this pool, in my underwear, and people from this bridge were watching me. Right here, that taking a picture of open air bath without permission is a criminal act. So actually people who were watching me yesterday from this point should not be allowed to take our pictures. This is the owner of this very amazing hot spring. See, so the hot spring, it's getting cleaned every day. So actually it's quite safe. You can have your bath there with the monkeys. Oh, how fantastic. I'm so happy that I went to the hot spa with the monkeys. It was so cool. Super cool. Yo, been there, done that.